Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a closer look at the Eve Sleep, the memory foam pillow. So let's just take a look around the outside of the packaging. So in this package is a Eve Sleep, the memory foam pillow, and just taking a look at the details or product information that's on the packaging. And taking a look at the back of the packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up by unzipping the clear plastic packaging and setting that to the side and giving you a look at this Eve Sleep, the memory foam pillow. So it measures 66 centimeters long and 42 centimeters deep and 13 centimeters thick or high, and it's designed to fit a 50 by 75 size pillowcase. So just taking an overall look at the pillow, so you can see that it does have a textured or dimpled polyester cover, and to give you some sense of the size of this pillow, just placing my hand over the center of the pillow and giving you that overall look front and back. And of course there is an Eve label as well. And of course this pillowcase cover is washable up to 40 degrees Celsius, and we can see that there is a zipper to open it up. So let's do that to reveal the memory foam pillow itself, which is made out of polyurethane. So sliding the memory foam pillow out and giving you that look right there of the pillow itself, both sides, and of course just resting it on its pillow cover. So right there, giving you a look at this Eve Sleep, the memory foam pillow. So once again, the dimensions are 66 centimeters long, 42 centimeters deep, and 13 centimeters thick, and once again designed for a standard pillowcase of 50 centimeters by 75 centimeters. So once again, taking a look at its overall details and its squishiness, of course, as you can see with my fingers squeezing down and pressing down on the pillowcase or pillow itself. And we can see that there are air holes right through the pillow for airflow or ventilation and to keep things nice and cool. So as it squeezes down, I can feel the air coming through the air holes, so giving you a look up close at those air holes in this memory foam pillow. And of course the overall texture as well, so we can see very fine casing to the pillow itself. And of course this is the reverse side, so once again giving you some sense of the responsiveness of this pillow. And just squeezing down, pressing down on it, and giving you various aspects as to how this memory foam responds to pressure and weight. Okay, so right there, an overall detailed look at this Eve Sleep, the memory foam pillow. And of course we have, once again, the pillow's cover, which is machine washable. And there is actually another label on this end, so let's take a look at the details. Right there, of the care instructions. For the pillow cover, and giving you a look on the inside as well, the lining of this dimpled woven polyester pillow cover. And of course, once again, the outside in much closer detail. And let's place the pillow back in its pillow cover. Of course, let's zip it all up, and of course tucking that tag nicely back in, or label back in. And so once you can see just how the pillow responds to various applications of simulated weight or pressure. So that's the Eve Sleep, the memory foam pillow. Thanks for watching and happy sleeping!